There they are, folks. The old Pepsi coolers. And this one's supposed to be going bye-bye today. Must be somebody tried to break into it. Had a dent right there. But it does cool. You could probably hear it running. It should be cold on the inside. Oh yeah. You guys 6 feet apart out here?
Just about.
A little more
That's about
social
12.
distancing.
Lay on the ground, we'll get his head.
I'm the measurement. Yeah. Start flopping back and forth.
A little more elbow grease on this camper, a little less flopping the jaws out here, and that thing would be done by now.
Yeah, I agree.
know,
So get
but
to it.
I don't know with that thing. I don't know if we could be 6 feet apart.
Yeah, it'd be pretty hard.
I'm just being precautious, so you know.
So it should really be only one person doing it.
Uh-oh, where'd my bottle of Awesome go?
Well, I'm gonna have to. You're gonna have to take a. I was thinking about it. But I gotta send the video.
Set it inside? Okay.
So,
Just clean it up pretty good. Look at the difference in this corner. Haven't done the back yet.
Slave driver.
Slave driver.
I'm going to show you how the Awesome works. The dollar store Awesome, that's what I was. You laughing at my Awesome? She said it looked like a urine sample. If my pee cleans like that, I probably better go to the doctor's.
Yeah.
My eyes were really burning. Let's check it out.
Your she shed is pretty cool too.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a find.
Yeah. You got a permit from the town for it?
No, I don't need one.
No.
Small enough.
Yeah.
96 square feet.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. Amazing really awesome it is, huh?
It's awesome. That's why they call it that.
Do they only sell that at the dollar store, or you see that other places?
You can't buy it at Walmart.
Seems like you just seen it at Dollar.
They sell like a $3 bottle of cleaner.
Well, awesome is pretty good.
It is.
That's all I ever use on these old campers. Look at that. That's just from a little bit of elbow grease, that one spot right there. It's going to look a little different.
Good thing Andy's here.
Makes
So-
lunch or buys lunch every day and pays you.
Got to get it cleaned up first so we can see what we got. Can't even get that license plate off. Thing hasn't been registered since 2001. So, put the old PB blaster to it, see what happens. Cleaning up pretty good. So when you run out of Awesome in your spray bottle, you go down to Family Dollar or Dollar General and you get this bottle. I think it's $3. And it's a little bit cheaper. You don't have to buy the spray bottle every time. You can just fill these. That's all I ever use on a lot of stuff. She is, folks, the hardest working woman in show business. Show business. And her son, her sidekick, young Andrew. Andrew. Guys are right at it here. Shoveling all this gravel. While I am over here, still working on the vintage camper. My Awesome is making dirt dry. Look at that. show you how this stuff's coming out. Unbelievable.
We just got this huge. There's a job I was waiting for.
Look at that. Pretty good. So I tried some steel wool on here, but it looks like it might be scratching it, so I don't want to keep going forward with that. It does make a huge difference. See here on the side. I'm gonna try to get these stickers off. Well, the roof did clean up good. It's pretty clean. Always nice when you buy a small enough camper that you can move it around with your four-wheeler. And here we go.
I'll be channeling the chicken spirit for my happy wanderers. Happy wanderers. Thanks for coming to Dollywood. Y'all good. Bye, honey.
Bye-bye.
Bye.